Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Amazon digital rights error on Chrome. If you've ever tried to watch content and suddenly run into playback issues or DRM errors, this step-by-step guide will help you get things working again quickly. Let's start with your Chrome settings. Open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, and then click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings and look for Protected Content Identifiers. Make sure this is set to Allowed. This setting is important because it allows websites like Amazon to verify your device and stream protected content properly. If it's blocked, you may run into playback errors. Next, we'll update something called the Widevine module. This is the component Chrome uses to handle digital rights management, or DRM. Go to your Chrome address bar and type chrome://components, then press Enter. This will open a list of internal Chrome components. Scroll down until you find Widevine Content Decryption module, then click Check for Update. If an update is available, Chrome will install it automatically. Keeping this component updated ensures your browser can properly decrypt and play protected video content. Next, we'll adjust hardware acceleration. Head back to Settings, then scroll down and click on System. Here, you'll see an option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Toggle it to the opposite of its current state. If it was on, turn it off. If it was off, turn it on. This can fix compatibility issues between your browser and your graphics system that sometimes cause video playback errors. After changing the setting, restart Chrome so the changes take effect properly. While you're at it, it's also a good idea to clear your browser cache. Go back to Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data, and remove cached files and cookies. This helps eliminate any corrupted data that might be interfering with playback. Once you've completed all these steps, try loading your Amazon video again. In most cases, the error should be resolved, and playback should work smoothly. That's all there is to it. By adjusting your content settings, updating the Widevine module, and tweaking a few system options, you can fix most DRM-related issues in Chrome. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.